How we can install Gradle? To find Gradle's website, we need to type Gradle inside our search engine. So here we can find installation, and in installation we can see some pre-requirements, and it should have Java version we already have, and we can install in on Unix-like system using packet manager. For Windows, so we can use manually, create manually. Okay, so we need to download distribution. So we have 830 binary or complete. So binary, this is only executable files. Complete, this is with mm, as mentioned here, complete with docs and sources. If you don't want to review sources, so you don't need it. You can fork it using GitHub and update it and build your own Gradle. So this is up to you, but we need to work only Gradle. So it start uploading. So okay. So it downloaded. We can open this binary so we can see our Gradle. Let's open our local disk. Here we can see Gradle folder, which I saved from previous installation. If you don't have, just create it. So we copy here Gradle, and we have here bin folder where Gradle execution file. So we need to copy it, and as mentioned in installation step, we need to add it to environment variables. So okay with bin dot slash bin and save. So let's open env, and here environment variables home path. Here I save old Gradle, so I need to replace this part. So we have new version. Let's okay, save. To test it, let's open command prompt and let's put this command. So it looking for, and then finally find Gradle. Let's see, daemon JVM, launcher JVM, or Java version. So okay, next, what I would like to mention, here is my YouTube channel, and you can find these videos, and I type Nexus repository, uh, work with private repositories. Here is developers things which you can create for Gradle, and you can test it. Here is some small project how to access, and you can see how in project define these properties, these repositories. And also let's review IDE. I open IDE. Okay. So here we open IntelliJ IDE, and we can see that here is settings. We have here, okay, settings, build tools, Gradle. So we can override user home, Gradle home. Okay. For Eclipse, window preferences, here is Gradle. So Gradle, it uses by default Gradle wrapper and IntelliJ IDE, I believe too. So we can enforce our in Eclipse to use local installation. So we can find it, disk C, and where is Gradle? No, not one. Okay, this one. So, and we can define user home, program arguments, etc. and apply it. Or we can specific version define which we want to use. So we leave it as default. If you have a private repository and you want to use it, so review that video on my